So if you have troubles visualizing, just remember that visualization does not have to just be in meditation and with you closing your eyes. You can visualize in so many other ways. I know that many people say that they cannot conjure up an image when they close their eyes, like it's just blank, and they have a hard time focusing, so that stops them from visualizing. But honestly, visualization is also imagining and feeling it as real in your body. So if you cannot close your eyes and think of an image, use Google, use Pinterest. That's my favorite way of feeling it real. Make a board on Pinterest of photos or quotes of your dream life and look at that every single day. See that board every single day, every morning, every night before you go to sleep. See it and imagine yourself living that life, living your desire. Feel it fully in your body. And look at it so much that you believe without a doubt that that life is yours. Take a walk and see this image while you're walking and just imagine in your body that this is your life, that you have your desire now. And same thing with Google. If you're manifesting a trip, use Google to plan that trip and see all the places that you would go to, all the experiences that you'll have. Same thing, if you want to manifest a car or a house, do your research on that car, on that house. And just feel it in your body that it is yours now. So if you cannot visualize, don't worry. It's not just about closing your eyes. You've been blessed with perfect vision, the beauty of eyesight. Use it to manifest. Okay, I hope that helped. You can ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.